Instead of throwing out a broken portable fan or taking a shorted out lamp to the landfill, why not get it fixed so it can still be useful? Consumer problem solver Connie Thompson wants you to know how you can save money by getting things repaired for free. Connie?
That's right. People who find out about these repair cafes call them the best kept secret. Experts who know how to fix things bring their tools. People who need things fixed bring their items and walk away with mended clothing, repaired appliances, even sharper kitchen knives for free. When Bill Roberts retired from his job as an electrical engineer, he started helping people restore and repair household goods like dull kitchen knives and food processors and broken portable fans.
I would estimate it somewhere in the 80 to 90% of things that are tossed are easily repaired.
Bill and other fixers partner with King County and different community groups to hold free repair events. Throughout the summer, they fix everything from clothing and shoes to electronics and small appliances, free of charge. Broken lamps are high on the list. This has a short. I've been fussing with this one for years.
Okay, so there's a bad connection inside this switch.
The intent of this program is really to reduce that amount of stuff that's being thrown away.
Volunteer Amanda Godwin says recent repair events in Shoreline and Sammamish each drew about 100 people.
14 different types of lamps, a crock pot, a shoe that needed to be reglued, a torn area rug.
The King County program only has 3 more free repair events scheduled this year. Wednesday, September 4th from 3 to 6 at the Burien Library, Tuesday, September 10th from 3 to 6 at the North Bend Library, and Saturday, October 5th from 9:30 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. at the Steve Cox Memorial Park Gym in White Center. Bill had my lamp back in working order within about 5 minutes. Well, thank you. That's one more item that can stay in use instead of unnecessarily becoming landfill waste. And I will put more information about these free repair events on the consumer page of KOMOnews.com.